Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. This is class 20. In today's class, we will practice fluent English conversation in real life situations. This lesson will help you speak naturally and confidently. Speak with me loudly. Repeat after me, please, all sentences. Let's begin. Long conversation practice. Some sentences. What are you doing right now? I am practicing my English speaking skills. Why are you practicing so much? Because I want to become fluent in English. How do you practice every day? I watch videos, speak in front of a mirror, and repeat sentences. Do you feel confident now? Yes, I feel more confident than before. Repeat all sentences, please, with me again. What are you doing right now? I am practicing my English speaking skills. Why are you practicing so much? Because I want to become fluent in English. How do you practice every day? I watch videos, speak in front of mirror, and repeat all sentences. Do you feel confident now? Yes, I feel more confident than before. Market conversation sentences. Hello, how can I help you today? I would like to buy some fresh and fruits. Which fruits are you looking for? I am looking for apples, bananas, and oranges. How many kilos would you like? I would like 1 kilo of apples and 2 kilo of bananas. Anything else? No. That will be all. Thank you. Office work conversation type sentences. What do you do? I am currently working as a student and improving my skills. What skills are you improving? I am improving my English communication skills. Why is English important for you? Because it helps me grow in my career and communicate globally. That's great. Keep working hard. Thank you. I will do your best. Friend conversation type sentences. What are your future plans? I want to become successful and improving my English. How are you working towards your goals? I practice daily and stay consistent. Do you face any problems? Yes, sometimes I feel nervous, but I keep trying. That's the right attitude. Thank you for your support. Fluent speaking practice. I am becoming more confident day by day. I can speak English without fear. I am improving my communication skills. I believe in my hard work. I will achieve my goals. I will never give up. I will keep learning every day. Speak loudly, repeat again all sentences, please. I am becoming more confident day by day. I can speak English without fear. I am improving my communication skills. I believe in my hard work. I will achieve my goals. I will never give up. I will keep learning English every day. Repeat again. I am become more confident day by day. I can speak English without fear. I am improving my communication skills. I believe in my hard work. I will achieve my goals. I will never give up. I will keep learning every day. Friend, conversation type questions and answers. Repeat again loudly and with me. What are your future plans? I want to become successful and improve my English fluency. How are you working towards your goals? I practice daily and stay consistent. Do you face any problems? Yes, sometimes I feel nervous, but I keep trying. That's right attitude. Thank you for your support. Practice these conversation daily. Speak in real life situations. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Confidence is the key to success. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Comment next class for more lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.